वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
कृत्याः
कृत्याः
तव्यत्तव्यानि यरः
तव्यत्तव्यानि यरः
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरीणि च
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरीणि च
अचो यत्
अचो यत्
तकिशसि व्यतीयति जनेभ्यो यद्वाच्यः
तकिशसि व्यतीयति जनेभ्यो यद्वाचः
हनो वा तद्वदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्।
हनो वा तदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्
पौरुदुपधात्
पौरुदुपधात्
शकिसहोश्च
शकिसहोश्च
गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदमदचर्यमश्चानुपसर्गे
चरेराङ्गिचा गुरौ सुक्षवा आश्चर्यम् आश्चर्यम्
शरीराणि च गुरौ सुप्तवा आश्चर्यम् आचर्यम्
अवद्यपन्यवर्या गर्ग्यपनितव्या निरोधेषु
अवन्यवर्यगर्ह्यपणितव्यानिरोधेषु
वह्यं करणम्
मह्यङ्करणम्
अर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः
अर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः
उपसर्या काल्या प्रजने
उपसर्याकाल्य प्रजने
अजर्यं संगतम्
अजर्यं सङ्गतं
वदस्सुपिक्यप्च
वदस्सुपिक्यच्च
भुवो भावे
भुवो भावे
हनस्त च
हनस्त च
एतिस्तु शास्वृधृजुषक्यप
एदिस्तु शावदेजुषह्यव
ऋदुपथाच्छाक्लपिच्युतेः
ऋदुपदाचार्यपिच्युतेः
ईचखनः
ईचखनः
हृण्यो संज्ञायाम्
भृयो संज्ञायाम्
बृजेर्विभाषा
विजयविभाषा
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्य कुप्यकृष्टपक्ष्या व्यत्याः
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्यगुप्यकृष्टपचाव्यर्थः
विद्योद्यौ नदे
विद्योद्भ्यो नदे
पुष्यसिद्ध्यो नक्षत्रे
पुष्यसिद्भ्यो नक्षत्रे
विपूय विनीयजित्या मुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
विपूय विनीयजित्यमुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
प्रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहेश्छन्दसि
प्रत्यपिभ्याङ्ग्रहश्छन्दसि
पदास्वैरिबाह्यापक्ष्येषु च
तदा स्वैरिबाह्यापक्ष्येषु च
विभाषाकृवृषोः
विभाषाकृवृषोः
युग्यं च पत्रे
युग्यं च पत्रे
अमावस्यदन्यतरस्याम्
अमावस्यदन्तरस्याम्
छन्दसि निष्ठर्क्य देवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोचिष्यमर्यस्तर्याध्वर्यखन्यखान्यदेवयज्ञा पृच्छ्य प्रतिशीव्य ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय प्रधानी
छन्दसि निष्टार्क्यदेवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोचिष्यमर्यस्तर्यध्वर्यखन्यखान्यदेवयज्ञावृच्छा प्रतिशीव्यब्रह्माद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय्य प्रणानि
हलोर्ण्यत
प्रेहलोर्ण्यत्
ओरावश्यके
ओरावश्यके
आसु आसु युवपिरपिलपित्रपि चमश्च
आसुयुगपिरपिलपित्रपि चमश्च
आनायो नित्ये
आनायो नित्ये
प्रणायो सम्मतौ
प्रणायो सम्मतौ
पाय्यसान्नाय्य निकाय्य दाय्यामानहविर्निवास सामिधेनीषु
पायसान्नायनिकायधायमानहविर्निवाससामिधेनेषु
कृतौ कुण्डपायसञ्चायौ
यदौ कुण्डपायसङ्ख्यायौ
अग्नौ परिचायोपचाय समूह्याः
अग्नौ परिचायोपचाय समूह्याः
चित्याग्निचित्ये च
चित्याग्निचित्ये च
झोन्तः
झोन्तः
अदभ्यस्तात्
अदभ्यस्तात्
आत्मनेपदेषु अरतः
आत्मनेपदेषु अनतः
अचोन्त्यादीति
अचोन्त्यादिति
हलोन्त्यादि काफी चित्तात्मनेपदानां तेरे
सिद्धात्मनेपदानां तेरे
तासस्य
भासस्य
आतो गितः
आतोर्नितः
लोपोर्व्यो बली
लोपोर्यो
लोपोर्यो
बलि
अतो दीर्घो यज्ञि
अतो
अतो
दीर्घो
दीर्घो
यङि
यङि
नित्यं नितः
नित्यं
नित्यं
नितः
नितः
हितश्च
तश्च
हितश्च
तस्थस्थमिपां तान्तन्तामः
तस्थस्थमिपां
तस्थस्थमिपान्
तां
तान्
तं
तन्तामः
तन्मः
लुङ्लङ्लङ्क्षो अडुदातः
लुं लं लङ्क्षो
लुङ्लङ्लक्षो अनुदातः
अडुदातः
आडजादीनाम्
आडजादीनाम्
आटश्च
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 माङ्गी लुङ्
माङिलुङ्
माङिलुङ्
नमाङ्योगे
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 स्मोत्तरे लङ् च
स्मोत्तरे लं
स्मोत्तरे
च
लङ् च
लोटो लङ्वत्
लोटो
लोटो
लङ्वत्
लङ्वत्
ये ऋगु
एरुः
सेर्ह्यपेच्छ
सेह्यपिच्च
सेह्यपिच्च
मेर्नि
मीर्नि
नीर्निः
आडुत्तमस्य पिच्छ
आडुत्तमस्य
आडुत्तमस्य
पिच्च
पिच्च
आमेतः
आमितः
आमेतः
सवाभ्याममौ
सवाभ्यां वा
सवाभ्यामामौ
येत ऐ
एत
एत
ऐ
ऐ
ऋग्योस्तातङ्गाशिष्यन्यतरस्याम्
तुह्योस्तातां
तुह्योस्तातङ्गाशीर्ष्यन्यतरस्याम्
शशिष्यन्तरस्याम्
यासुत्परस्मै पदेषु उदात्तङिच्छ
यासुत्
यासु
परस्मै पदेषु
परस्मैपदेषु
दात्तञ्च
उदात्तङि च
इदाशिषि
दाशिषि
हिदाशिषि
सुट् तिथोः
सुट्टितोः
तिथोः
जस्य रन्
जस्य
झस्यरन्
रन्
इटोत्
इटोट्
झेर्जुस्
झिर्जुस्
झेर्जुस्
लिङ्गः सलोपोऽनन्त्यस्य
नस्सलोपोऽनन्तस्य
नस्सलोपोणन्तस्य
अतो येयः
तो
अतो
येयः
येयः
उस्य पदान्तात्
उस्य
उच्च
पदान्तात्
पदान्तात्
that. Now we are in the Sutra Achontyadi T. Right? Last class we saw these three sutras. Jontaha, Dabhyasta, Atnepadeshu, Ataha. Now Achontyadi T. Achontyadi. How do you split?
अचः
च
अन्त्यादि
Achaha, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
षष्ठी एकवचनं no
Achaha
yes
is Shashti.
yes
Antyadi, starting from Antya. Sorry, so Antyadi is Antya Ach. Okay. Antyadi gets Sanya T. Antya Achaha. Antya Achaha. Adi means starting from there. It is T. One minute. Just a minute, please. Give me a minute, please. Yes. Achontyadi T. Now this sutra is in the what's the number?
1164
1164. So Achontyadi, that also we can see what compound is that. So Achaha Shashti Bhakti. What Shashti is that even? Also we can see. Achaha. In a word there could be more than one bubble, right? Or there could be one bubble. There should be At least one vowel must be there. It could be a dhatu, pratipadikam, or pratyaya, whatever it may be. So achaha. So one commentator says this achaha is nirdharana shashti. Among all the vowels, we are taking the vowel which is ante bhavaha, the vowel which is at the end. Antyaha is achontya. Antyadi. Antyadi is one. Antyaha is it's a tadita word. Antya bhavaha, ante bhavaha, antyaha iti. That which is at the end. Okay. Antya adihi yasya tat. Antya adihi yasya tat. That will be T. You can see here the vritti, why I am saying Nirdhana Shashti. Acha madhye. Acha what is vibhakti? Shashti Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
So Shashti, it is Acha madhye. Among the vowels. So therefore, Nirdharana Shashti. Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschid Yatati Siddhaye Gita. And there are many Nirdharana Shashti, the 10th chapter of the Gita.
Nirdharana Shashti.
Giram, Asmi, Ekaksharam. So many are the Yashana, Makaras, Chasmi. So like that, all are Nirdharana Shashti. So when it is Nirdharana Shashti, you cannot compound. It's a rule. Nan Nirdharana rule also is done. So Achaha is from the vritti we can take that it is Nirdharana Shashti. You can add if you want. This is Chaha. Maybe I will add here, which is what Shashti?
Nirdharana
Nirdharana Shashti. Nirdharane Shashti or Nirdharana Shashti. It's used. And also, Antyadi is a compound. Antya, the word also to be explained. So, Antyadi is there. Antya, Antyaha, Adihi, Yasya, Tat, Napumsakalinga we can take. Antyadi. The compound. And Antya is a Tadita word. Ante Bhavaha is Antyaha. All these things I didn't do because we have not come to that level. Samasa. Sorry.
Yes.
But you can note it. Actually, this is one first round. Second round we do. I don't know when we'll do. Bhagavan only knows. So when we do, then that time we have to do samasa of the words also. Okay. These are all the basic we are learning. Just a simple vritti, Kashika vritti, Siddhanta Kaumbadi, whatever vritti, and then one example, meaning, etc. That itself is a big thing. But anyway, just saying. Okay.
Nirdharana, it's a something similar to Saptami Madhye when we say
Saptami
Among
also is the Nirdharana Saptami. Why not? Yes. Nirdharana
Oh,
Saptami.
Nirdharana
Yatascha Nirdharanam. One sutram is there.
Oh,
Yatascha Nirdharanam. 2, 3. I don't know, remember the sutra. So Vibhakti. Yatascha Nirdharanam can be Shashti or Saptami.
understood.
Nirdhana means 3 things will be there. A group of things. Suppose among all the students, Ramaha is brilliant. Chatranam Ramaha Chaturaha Nirdhana Shashti. Among the Chatranam students, among all the people, I am distinguishing Rama for his brilliance. You cannot compound it here. Chatranam Ramaha Shuraha. You can say Chatra Ramaha Ramaha Chaturaha. We cannot compound. This will be like that only. That is why in Gita, 10th chapter, you will see many in Nirdhana Shashti. Anyway, this is a side point. Antyadi is a compound. Antyaha, Adihi. Adi means etc. Ante Bhavaha Antyaha, Adihi, Yasya Tat, that is Antyadi. That is T. अचाना मध्ये यः अन्त्य अचः सः आदिः, all the other up to the end, right? So आदिः तस्य ति संज्ञा भवति. The final portion of a word beginning with what? Beginning with the last. Among the vowels in a word is called T. The final portion, that is what Adi. Beginning with the last among the vowels. So it's okay, translation is fine. Among the vowels, it is the last vowel, and the final part of the word is called T. Okay. So this is Vritti. Sanya Sutram, T is a Sanya given. Okay. So therefore, referring to a samudaya, a group of letters. Suppose Rama, anything, even in the case of Latlakara, Atmane Padanam, Tere, where we apply. Atam become Ate, Am, samudaya, group. The group of letters. How do you take the group? The group of letters within a word, and the first letter of the word must be a vowel, and that must be the last vowel of that the word. Okay. Samudayasya pratama varnaha ach varnaha kintu shabdasya antima varnaha ach. Shabdasya antima varnat arabhya antya varna paryantam acham samugaha varnanam samugaha T iti katyate. This is my vritti. Okay. You can say like that. Okay. Shabdasya antima achaha arabhya antima varna paryantam shabdasya varna samuhanam sanya T bhavati.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Anyway, we don't have to do any research on the PhD. It's okay. Since you understand what is T, that's enough. Then
Sure.
Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. Now you can see the application of T. That is why we saw that sutra. Sanya sutras, paribhashas, all these will be in the first chapter. First chapter, second chapter, you will see. Okay. So
Yes.
now this is 3-4 is application of the Sanya. Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. You have to split. Titaha. What is Titaha? Titaha referring to Tit, Takara, It, Yasya, Saha, Titaha. So it's also compo, Bhuvigi, you know. Takaraha, It, Yasya, Saha,
Theta.
Tit, Titaha,
Yes.
Yasya, Saha. So therefore, Titaha, what we are talking about? Lakaraha. Yasya, Saha, Kaha, Lakarasya. Therefore, Titaha is Titaha Lakarasya, Tit Lakarasya. What are the Tit Lakaras? Lat, Lot,
Lot.
Lit, Lut, Rit. These are, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, Titaha 3479. For that, Lasya coming as Anuvritti. That's right. Titaha Lasya. Titaha Shashti Lasya is also Shashti. Therefore, Titaha Lakarasya means Titaha is Visheshanam, qualifying the Lakara. Lakarasya. What lakara? Tit lakara. Therefore, titaha lakarasya. Right? Atmane padanam. Atmane padanam. Atmane pada is a sanya of what? Pratyaya. Tang. Tangano atmane padam. Right? Sanya.
Yes.
Therefore, atmane padanam pratyayanam. Then titah lakare. Tehe. Te is already defined. Tehe. Re. Ye. Not re. Tehe. Ye. What sandhi? No sandhi. Repa plus ye, re. And here 1-1, but 1-1 is not there. Therefore, the vibhakti 1-1 is lupta vibhaktika. Lupta vibhaktikam. The vibhakti as lupta. Gone. Not by any sutra. The sutra is written. It's also like a Veda, Chandasam. So Panini Maharishi doesn't want to give any vibhakti. Therefore, he removed that A also. Okay. So one I have written. We can write it is Lupta Pratama Vibhakti Nirdeshaha. Pratama Vibhakti has gone. That is Pani. That is
why
Pani
gone?
Maharishi can do. We cannot do it. Huh? Okay.
Why, this why is gone? I could not understood.
Huh? What is it?
Why this Pratama Vibhakti is gone?
He doesn't want to mention. Pratama Vibhakti has gone to Brazil. Find out. He doesn't want to have the vibhakti. I mean, pratyaya for this. That's why I said Sautram, Chandasam. This is Chandobata Sutrani. That is Pani Maharishi's wish. He doesn't want to say Tere, he, just making Tere. Like we have the word, we say Rahulaha, we say Rahul. The word is a nice word. Ramaha, we say Ram. The last vowel we cut, right? Hindi. Sharanaha, we say Sharan. Something like that. Tere, he. No, Tere is enough. Okay, made like that. So it says, just joking, but it's called Lupta Pratamanta Nirdesha. This you will see many places.
Like this A, it doesn't have Vibhakti.
No, Ekaranta Shabda is there. Why not? Glai Shabda is there. Glaihi, Glayo, Glayaha is there. You can decline. So that Aihi Visarga, that he has dropped it. Okay. There is no Sutram for it. It is the wish of the Pani Maharshi. You cannot question Pani Maharshi. So this is a Paribhasha Sutram. Okay. Tetaha Atmane Padanam. It's a Paribhasha Sutram. What is Paribhasha Sutram? This is not a Paribhasha Sutram. This is Tit is just replaced by A. So why should we call Paribhasha? So this is not Paribhasha. This is just a like a Vidhi Sutram. That's it. This is copy paste problem, I think. So Vidhi. We have Tere, Tehe, A. T is replaced by A. That's it. Not Paribhasha. Copy paste. And it is Anurti of Pratyaha, Parasya, all those things. Okay, let's see. Oh, here I have written Vidhi Sutrams. Yeah, it's there. Shamitam. Yeah. Below. Okay, we are already there. Vidhi Sutram.
Yes.
Sampurna Sutram will be Titaha, Lakarasya, Atmane Padanam, Pratyayanam, Tehe, E Adeshaha. Titaha Lakarasya, E Atmane Pada, Adeshaha. What does it mean? For Titlakara, the Atmane Pada Adeshas. What are Atmane Pada Adeshas? For Titlakara? Ta Atam Ja. Tas Atam Dvam. It Magi. That comes in the place of what? Lakara, right?
Yes.
Dhatu plus Lakara. That Lakara is replaced by Ta Atam Ja. Tas Atam Dvam. It Magi in keeping with Purusha and Vachanam. That's called Atmane Padadeshaha. Tesham Stane. Tesham Tehe. Sorry. Tesham Tehe. Ekaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. That is replaced by Ekara. T of the Atmanepada Adeshas, which is Tang, coming in the place of Tit Lakara, will be replaced by A. Example, A the plus letter. A the plus star. What is the form? What will happen next step? A Dhatu Atmane Pradi Dhatu.
Yes.
Then what is the T letter? Ah.
Ah.
Replace it by
A.
A. What pratyaya is this?
Atmanepada.
Okay. What pratyaya further? Atmanepada, okay.
Sarvadhatukam.
Exactly. Sarvadhatuka. And what prayoga we are doing? Kartari.
Yes.
Yes.
Kartari lakara.
So for Kartari Sarvadhatike, Dhatoho Paraha, Shap. 3168. I have not written the sutra. If you want, you can write. That sutra you have to remember. Kartari Sarvadhatike, Shap. When Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows in Kartari prayoga, Dhatoho Paraha, Shap. Will come. The first conjugation, therefore Shap. Then Eda plus Shap. Ed is younger for Shap. Ed plus Shap is younger for Ta. By what sutra? What is Anga Sutra? Anga Sutra.
Saradatka Ardadatka.
No. I'm asking what is Sutra for Anga. I'm Sanya Sutra I'm asking. What is Anga? How do you define Anga? Yasmat Pratyaya Vidhi Tadadi Pratyaya Angam. You have to remember all the sutras, sir. Both of you.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will like open and then put everything and then close. It will be there inside. But you have to tell. All Sanya Sutras, you have to know it. Yasmat Pratyaya Vidhi Tadadi Pratyaya Angam 1413. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
The sutra. So, therefore, Ed is Yanga. Can Shab do Angakarya? Sarvadhatuka Pita? No. Why?
There is
Neither
no
Ikat letter nor Upada is Rasvait. No Angakarya possible. Therefore, just join Eda plus Ta. Eda plus Ta. Now, Ta is Takara plus Titahatmane Padanam Tere. Therefore, Te. Therefore, Edate. Right? We will take the dhatu and do all later. This is just one example. Edate, edhete, edante. Edase, edhete, edhadve. Edhe, edhavahe, edhamahe. What is the meaning of ed? Vruddhau. Grow, augment, increase. Okay. Then tasaha. Tasasse. Tasaha, what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. Say what vibhakti?
1. Also Lupta.
That is also lupta pratama vibhakti only. Same thing. That is also lupta Prathamanta Nirdeshaha. You will see like that many places. It is 1-1, but Vibhakti is not there. Lupta Prathamanta. Prathamanta means Prathama Vibhakti. Nirdeshaha. Anuvritti Titaha. Atmanepadanam. So this is an exception to Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere. Right?
Yes.
Apavada to that. So for Titaha Lakarasya Tasaha इति यः आदेशः वर्तते तस्य स्थाने से आदेशः भवति. Tas is adesha, right? Tatamja tas comes in the place of lat, I mean lakara, tit lakara, whatever lakara may be, and the tas will be replaced by se. So lakara replaced by tas and tas is replaced by se. That is the procedure.
Okay.
So with the Vidhi Sutram. So Titah lakarasya yah tas adeshah tasya sthane se adeshah bhavati. Tas which has come in the place of tit lakara like lat, lot, etc. that will be replaced by se. Se is now interesting. Se is what adesha? Sakara plus a. Anekal adesha. Therefore, anekal, it is not a shit. Anekal adesha sarvasya. Anekal shit sarvasya by the sutra. The entire thas is replaced. Otherwise, what will happen? Alone tyasya will apply. The last letter sakara alone will be replaced. Understand?
Yes.
So Aneka, this Paribhasha is Sutra, you have to remember Aneka Chit Sarvasya. Say it's an Aneka Adesha, therefore by the Paribhasha, Aneka Chit Sarvasya, what is the Sutram? Number 150.
155.
55, yes. The entire task is replaced by say. So therefore, what is the Madhyama Purusha? Ekavachanam. Tas is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya. Replaced by say. So Yeda plus let is replaced by tas. Yaha Adeshaha Latah Sthane Bhavati. Titaha Lakarasya. Tasya Sthane Se Adeshaha. Therefore here also Yeda se. Shatvam will not happen. Here it will not happen. Because what is say? Sakara is Avayava of the Pratyaya. Right? That is the condition.
Yes.
Inkoho Adesha Pratyaho. Sakara, which is either the Adesha or Avayava of the Pratyaya. It is a Pratyaya or not? Say. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Because Tas is a Pratyaya and Se comes in the place of Tas. Therefore, Se must be what? Pratyaya only.
Yeah.
Sthanivat Adesha. It behaves like a Sthani, not Adesha. Sorry, yeah, Sthanivat Adesha you can say, yes. It behaves like a Sthani, that is, Sthani is a Pratyaya, therefore Adesha also is Pratyaya. Now Se is a Pratyaya. And Sakara, which is Avayava of the Pratyaya. That Avayava of the Pratyaya, Apadanta Sakara, preceded by, not by in or ku, therefore Shattam will not happen.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, the say only. Then Ato Ngitaha. Ato Ngitaha, which is in Angasya Adhikara, 7 to 81. Angasya is 641. What are the Anuvrittis? Anuvrittis are important. Sarvadhatuke. From the previous sutra, Ato Yeyaha. Ataha Yeyaha alone comes as Anuvritti. Ya is not required. The previous sutra, Yeyaha is there, right? Ato Yeyaha. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sutra Pada you
Yes.
see, 7 to
Yes.
80.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that Yeyaha?
Eh,
I don't know.
Ya plus
Ah,
Yaha.
Ya plus
Ya
Yaha.
plus Yaha it is. A plus C Guna Sandhi, therefore Yeyaha. And Ato Yeyaha coming as Anuvritti, Ataha coming as Anuvritti, Yaha coming as Anuvritti. What about Ya? Ya not required for here. So Ya will not come. Okay.
Okay.
Therefore, Yaha Ataha. Ataha is Adantasya, because Angas Adhikara, Anga ending with Akara, Adantasya Angasya, what Paribhasha? Tadanta Vidhi. Right?
Savidhi.
Anga is qualified by Ataha. Adantasya Angasya. Anga which ends with Akara. Anga is qualified. Tadanta Vidhi. Adantasya Angasya. Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare. And Sarvadhatuka must be Nitaha Sarvadhatuka. Nit Sarvadhatuka Pratyaye Pare. And Akara which is at the Adesha. So Adantasya Angasya Pratyayadu Akara is the Pratyaya. So Akarasya Sarvadhatukasya Nit Pratyayasya Nit Abhayavasya Sarvadhatuka Pratyayasya Akarasya Iya Adeshaha Bhavati. Akara, which is the Abhayava of the Nit Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. All the conditions are important. Nit Sarvadhatuka, not Pit and all. Nit should be a Pit. Apit will be Nitvat. Therefore, that Akara, which is the Avayava of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, here we cannot use Tadadi Vidhi. They are not talking about the Pratyaya, Yajnadu, like that. Can I say? So, for Avayava of the Pratyaya. That's why Vritti is written like that. Okay. This Vritti, I don't know what Kashika Vritti is, 7 to 81. Let me see. Kashika or Siddhanta Kaumadi. So, 1 minute. 23, something. Rashika Vritti. Okay. Siddhanta Kaumudi. Gitam Akarasya. Nobody has said. Yes, used. It's okay. So we cannot use Tadadividi. Nita. Because Avayava of the Pratyaya. Suppose Nit Avayavasya Akarasya Savadhatukasya. Akarasya Savadhatukasya. Akara, which is Avayava of the Nit Savadhatuka Pratyaya, will get Iyadesha. The Akara at the beginning of the Nit Savadhatuka Pratyaya. When we say Panchami Vibhakti, see here Akara, which is the first letter of the Pratyaya, is going to be changed. That is the Sthani. Then how can we use Tadadividi? Logical. Compare with Ato Dirgo Yagi. I'm not sure whether you understand what I'm saying. Ato Dirgo Yagi, remember Sutra. I taught you both Tadadividi, Tadantavidi in that context. Adantasya Angasya Yajnado Pratyaya Pare. Right? Then what will happen? There, Adantasya Angasya, that is going to be the Sthani. Shashti Bhakti there. Adantasya Angasya Yajnado Pratyaya Pare. Adantasya Angasya Dirgaha Antyasya Alaha Dirga Desha Bhavat. Here it is not like that. Here the following is Shashti. That is referred to by the word which is in Panchami. Akaranta Tangad Uttarasya. Akarasya. How can we use here Tadadividya? You cannot use it. Huh? You understand? Think. Otherwise also it's okay, no problem. No? You understand what happens here? That's simple. Now, Pachdatoho let Atmane Pada Pratama Purusha Dvivachana Rupam. What is the Dvivachana Pratyaya? Pach plus letter, Pach plus Atam. That lakara you're doing. Then what will happen? Atam, what Pratyaya Atam? Savadhatuka.
Sarvadhatukam Apit.
Okay. Angakarya not possible. Savadhatuka, anyway, just saying. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare Kartari Shap will come. Pach plus Shap plus Atam. Itahatmane Padanam Tere. Am is replaced by Ye. Am is Shabda, the Varna Samuha. This is a Pratyaya. Pratyaya is a group of letters in which how many vowels are there? Many vowels are there. Among that vowels, Antya, starting from the Antya vowel. That's why Nirdhana Shashti. Right? Acha Madhye, Antya Achaha, Arabhya, Shabdasya, Shabda Samuhasya, T Sanya Bhavati. Therefore, Am is get T Sanya, that is replaced by Ye, Ate. Pach plus Shab plus Ate. After that, Pach plus A is Pacha. What will happen to Ate? Ate, the Pratyaya follows. And the first letter of the Pratyaya is going to be replaced. That is this Sthani. Therefore, we cannot use Adi, Tadadi here. Not possible. This Sthani is referred to the word by which is in Akara, Adantasya Angasya. Therefore, Pacha you get. Pacha is the Anga. So, Adantasya Angasya Uttarasya Nit Pratyayasya Avayavasya Akarasya. All Sya. Then where is Antya? Anta how can we use? Or Adi how can we use? Cannot use that. So, Akarasya Sthani Yaha Adesha Bhavati. And after that, what will happen? Yakara, which is Lopor Vyobali. That goes away. Therefore, Pacha plus Ite will get Pachete. What's in the A plus He? Right?
Pacheti.
Understand? Pachete.
Yes.
Lopor Vyobali. So here how Yakara goes away. That is comes immediately in the next sutra. Lopaha Vyorvali. Lopaha Bhavati. What is Lopaha? Adarshanam Lopaha. Vyoho Shashti Bhakti. Vakarasya Vascha. Vakarasya Yakarasya. Yakarasya cha. Then Vyoho.
This it should be split Lopo
Huh?
Vyobali.
Sorry?
This should not be a split. Lopo Vyo Vali.
Lopor?
Meaning this is all together. Lopo Vyo Vali. Because Lopo means Lopaha.
Yeah.
But like this, it can be seen like Lopoho.
No, not Lopo. Repa is not required. That's a mistake. Lop, they say Lopor Vyavali. Lop,
It should not be
Lopaha
one
Vyoho Vali.
there's
Yes. Lopo Vyavali, not Lopor Vyavali. Huh? Lopo Vyavali. Please check the sutra.
Lopo, Vyor.
Lopo Vyavali. Repa will come here. Huh?
Yes.
That's a problem. Okay. My mistake.
okay.
So Lopo Vyavali. Bit like this.
Ah, yeah, one space. Okay.
So that's what my mistake is. Not Lopor Vyavali. That is wrong. Right?
I think it's wrong yet.
Huh?
This repa would be above va, Vyor,
That's what yeah.
but it's
Above.
varli.
Repa would be above. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Lopo Vyor
Lopo.
yeah. Vyavali. Right?
Correct.
Yes.
Yes. Lopo Vyavali. Yes. That's what I. So Vyoho Vali is Val Pratyahara letters. Vakara Yakara Yoho. That is what Vyoho. Kim Bhavati Lopaka Bhavati. Kada Vali Partaha. Right?
Yes.
This Vakara Yakara Lopa happens where? Lopaha Shakalyasya. That also we saw. Right? A319. There also Vyoho is there. Yakara Vakara at the end of the Padam. Preceded by Avarna. Followed by Ash. Then Lopaha Bhavati. Right? 8390.
Yes.
Here it is, there is no such condition, not Padanta and all. Followed by Val. That becomes Lopaha. Okay, simple. Ato Dirgo Yagi, this is already we have seen. Angasya Adhikare Vartate 73101. Ataha, here we can see application of both Adad Vidhi and Adanta Vidhi. Ataha is Panchami. Dirgaha will come in the place of Ach. Achascha and Paribhasha we saw in the beginning itself, remember? In the wherever in the sutra, wherever an adesha is ordained by using the word rasva dirgha pruta, that adesha will happen in the place of vowels. Achascha 1228 Paribhasha Sutra. So dirgha means dirgha will come in the place of consonant. Only in the place of vowel. Achascha, right?
Yeah.
Paribhasha.
That's
That also you need to understand again. Yengi is what? Yenyado pratyaye pare. What follows? Pratyaya follows. Palya follows what? Anga. Anga is Anga. Asmat pratyavadi tadadi pratyaya angam. Anga is followed by pratyaya. And sarvadhatuka is also anvarti is important. Not any. So yajnado sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare. Anga will become lopaha. No. Anga is qualified by akara. Adantasya angasya. Anga ending with akara. Then the entire anga will go away. No. Sorry, not go away. Dirgaha. Entire anga will become dirga. What do you mean by dirga? Antyasya, alontyasya, right? Adantasya, angasya, antima varnasya, alontyasya paribhasha have to bring in. Dirgaha bhavati, yajnādu pratyaya pare, right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
So you can see the Ataha is not 5-3, it's a typo. What vibhakti Ataha must be?
6-1.
50.
Adantaha is 6 months, not 5 3. It's copy paste problem. Because it's a stari, that is becoming dirgha. Then only we apply tadanta vidhi. Adantasya angasya, akarantasya angasya, antima varnasya, it's understood. The whole anga cannot become dirgha. Right?
Yes.
Dirgha bhavati, kada yajnadau pratyaye sarvadhatike pratyaye parataha. When followed by yajnadi pratyaya, what are the yajnadi pratyaya? In our context, what are the yajnadi pratyaya? Mip, vas, mas alone, right? Mip, vas, mas, only uttama purusha, and also mip also sometimes tas tas tamipam tantan tamaha and all happens in lang lakara, etc. Right?
Yes.
So mainly it is vakara and makara. Only vakara and makara, vas and mas only. So when therefore anga, the ending of the kara gets dirgha akara desha. Pat plus mip. Here it is okay. Patami. It happens here. Anga ending with akara. Adanta sangasya yajnado pratyaya pare dirghadesha patami. This is, otherwise always it will happen patami. This is not sandhi. Consonant and vowel and consonant. Patami. Right? We saw one sandhi where the vowel and the consonant. Generally vowel sandhi, consonant sandhi, right? But vowel consonant, it comes, sandhi happens. One place we have seen. Remember? Where? In sandhi. In sandhi we have seen. Vanto yi pratyaye. Vanto yakaradi pratyaye pare. O or au followed by akara, then vantaha referring to that. Vanto yi pratyaye. Then what is that? Navya, Gavya, all those are examples. Go plus ya, what's sandhi? Go plus ya, what's sandhi, sir? It's sandhi possible. Oh, should be go ya? No. Yakara is a pratyaya. Tadita pratyaya it is. Therefore, go o is replaced by au. Gavya you get.
Yes.
That is under what adhikara? Samgitaya madhikare. That's why I said when sandhi is there, vowel and consonant sandhi. That is only sandhi. As I know, there may be other things.
6179.
Huh?
6179.
Yes, we have seen that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next sutra, Nityam Nitaha. I think we'll see that tomorrow, next class. You follow up to this?
Yes.
Follow.
See, don't try to load too much into your head. The sutra, what it says, what the job it does, that much is enough. After that, you have the books, all these things are for ready reference. You can always go and see. But sutra number, where it is located, all those things that you must remember. So now I said the Vanto I pratyaya from my memory only. That I have done many times, for I know it. So that is important. Right? I will do, not for a year, Kena Upanishad, the word analysis of the word by sutra. For my morning class, I will do. I'll send that video. You can watch that.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Each word up, you will be able to follow because you know sutras. I may do it tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. I will send you to watch. Okay.
Thank you.
Stop
Nice.
here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Jai Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad. Thank you so
Rama,
much.
can you send your email one more time? The ID.
Yes, I send in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, WhatsApp, please.
Nice.